So one of the first things that I've started packing, and I always suggest this when you're starting your move, is to find, if you have any of your fine china, that's usually something that someone doesn't use as often, so it's a great idea to start packing that first. And then after that, once you're kind of accomplished that fine china, then books are a great idea to start, especially ones that you've read and you're ready to maybe move on. You could donate, or things like this lovely shark book of my son's, we can just pack that away and he can read that in a couple of months. So books are a great idea to go ahead and move on, or pack up. And then usually pictures are another great idea too, just to pack those up. So china, books, photos, that's the first step, and we're on our way. Oh my goodness, so sweet. That's the problem though, when you start packing photos, you can get stuck looking at photos, but gotta keep going.